Hey guys, Randy here at etrailer.com. Today we're taking a look at a ratchet strap from Erickson. Now this is one of the heavy duty straps. This is going to be 27 foot long and 2 inches wide, so it's going to be ideal for just about anything that you need to strap down. Here we're using a UTV, but lumber, equipment, things like that on a utility trailer, even in a truck bed, it's going to offer a really good solution. But it's also going to leave us with excess strap if we're tightening down smaller or shorter loads. That's where the strap keeper really comes in handy. This allows us to keep that bound up. It's a hook and loop design. Keep that bound up here so it's not going to be dragging down the road behind us. We're not going to be fraying our end or causing any damage. Another thing I like about this setup that you don't always see on straps like this is this heavy duty rubberized handle we have on the end. It's going to allow us to get our hand in there and apply all the torque we need, especially with this nice extended handle. Allows us plenty of leverage. We can get anything strapped down that we might want. The release handle here, you see it's also got rubber coating on it, plenty of room for 2.5 fingers-ish to get in there, release it and get it up in the correct position. You see the hook here is fully rubber coated. This is what they call a double J hook. So it's one continuous piece, comes down around all the way up over and back down the other side. That rubber coating on there is nice and thick, so hooking it to things that you care about the finish on, you really shouldn't have any issues with it damaging it. You'll notice the body of the strap, real nice and thick material that they're using here. And we've got that yellow zinc finish coating everything, so we're really not going to have to worry about corrosion for a very long time. Now the strap's really nice and heavy duty. You can see how thick it is there. 2 inches wide, 27 foot long like we said. And you'll notice one side's going to be printed and it has the red lines that run down it. The other side doesn't. When putting these straps in place, it's always better if you get them to lay flat. So by matching that up, we've got it hooked on the other side with this facing up. We bring it over here, and we know that we're putting it in our ratchet the right way. Now this strap offers a 3,300 pound safe working load limit. That's going to be the maximum force that you want to put on this to keep everything safe. We also recommend anytime you strap something down, you use 2 or more straps. That's going to help to ensure some redundancy there. So if you happen to have a failure somewhere, you'll have something else there to kind of back you up. Now to install our strap, we'll first need to get our tag end through the ratchet. Now if you've done this before, it's like any other one out there. If you haven't, we're going to take that end. You can see if we can slide it right through that center barrel. Once we've got it through, we just need to loop that right back over the top. See our handle shape like that, pass it through that top handle side. That'll allow us to pull out whatever slack we need. We're going to be strapping down our UTV here, so I'll just get this over to the other side, get it connected, and show you how this works. Once we have our connection made on that side, we're going to take our double J hook, connect it down on this side, and you can notice how I'm keeping tension on this one. That's going to keep that hook on that side engaged. Then we're going to pull out the slack there. Once we've got the slack out, oh, closed it too far. Then it's time to ratchet. It's going to give us that torque we want. And with that nice long handle, it gives us plenty of leverage there to generate all the torque we need. Now with our excess, we'll pass that right down through our handle there. And depending on what you're securing down with a 27-foot strap, you are going to have some excess to deal with. But right here you can see the strap keeper that Erickson's included. That's a really nice handy feature to have. Just want to bundle up our strap here. About that long looks good. Once that's bundled up, you can see our strap keeper is going to come around. Does a great job of holding that in place. I'm not going to have to worry about it dragging down the road behind us. Now with this one secure, see we've got our second one here in the back, we're going to be ready to hit the road.